Investors panic worldwide. Breaking news. Global stock markets are in free fall, with billions wiped out in hours. From Wall Street to Dalal Street, panic is setting in. Is this a temporary dip or the start of a major financial crisis? Let's dive into the details. What happened today on April 7, 2025? Financial markets worldwide experienced significant declines. In the US, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq saw substantial drops. Meanwhile, in India, the BSE Sensex plunged over 2,200 points, closing at 73,137.90, a 2.95% decline. The NSE Nifty also tumbled, ending 742.85 points lower at 22,161.60, marking a 3.24% drop. India today. Key reasons behind the crash. Several factors contributed to today's market turmoil. Surging inflation. Recent reports indicate inflation is rising faster than anticipated, leading to concerns about decreased consumer purchasing power and increased costs for businesses. Weak tech earnings. Major technology companies, including Tesla and Meta, reported earnings that fell short of expectations, shaking investor confidence in the tech sector. Geopolitical tensions. Escalating conflicts in the Middle East have added to global economic uncertainties, prompting investors to seek safer assets. Trump's new trade tariffs. Former President Donald Trump, amid his 2025 campaign, announced sweeping new tariffs on imports from numerous countries, including China and India. These tariffs, described by some as an economic nuclear war, have heightened fears of a global trade slowdown. Impact on the Indian market. The Indian stock market felt the shockwaves profoundly. Sensex dropped 2,227 points, a 2.95% decline, closing at 73,137.90. Fell 742.85 points, down 3.24%, ending at 22,161.60. Metals. Tata Steel's shares declined by 7.73%, closing at 129 rupees per bag. MarketWatch Information Technology. The Nifty IT index closed at 32,668.80, significantly below its averages, indicating continued bearish momentum. Automobiles. The Nifty Auto Index fell to 19,815.55, also below its EMAs, suggesting sectoral weakness. Overall, approximately 14 lakh crore, around $170 billion, was wiped off the Indian stock market today. Investor sentiment is at a low. Retail investors. Many are expressing panic and confusion on social media platforms, sharing concerns about their portfolios. Institutional investors. Some view this as a market correction, while others are bracing for a potential prolonged downturn. The India VIX, often termed the fear gauge, spiked over 59% to 21.94, indicating heightened market volatility. Is this just the beginning? Analysts are divided. Some fear that escalating trade wars and persistent inflation could lead to a global recession. Others believe that while the situation is serious, markets may stabilize if diplomatic solutions are reached and economic policies are adjusted. Goldman Sachs has raised the probability of a U.S. recession to 45%, citing tightening financial conditions and policy uncertainties. What should investors do now? In times of market turmoil, stay calm. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Diversify. Ensure your portfolio is spread across various asset classes to mitigate risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with real-time stock market analysis and trading strategies. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Disclaimer: the content shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not SEB registered advisors. Always consult your financial advisor before